Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start with the introduction of e-commerce technology. In this, I will be discussing about the e-commerce strategies within the organization, e-commerce oriented aspects of internet technology, implementation of e-commerce technology, theories and practical. So let us begin with internet and World Wide Web, that is also known as WWW. The Internet has its roots during 1960 as a project of United States government's Department of Defense to create a non-centralized network. This project was called ARPANET. ARPANET was established in 1969 to provide secure and survivable communications network for organizations engaged in defense-related research. In order to make the network more global, a new sophisticated and standard protocol was needed. They developed Internet Protocol known as IP technology, which defined how electronic messages were packaged, addressed, and sent over the network. The standard protocol was invented in 1977 and was called TCP/IP, known as Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. It allowed users to link various branches of other complex networks directly to the ARPANET, which soon came to be called as the Internet. Researchers and academics in other fields began to make use of the network, and eventually the National Science Foundation, known as NSF, has created a similar and parallel network called NSFNet. Took over much of the TCP/IP technology from ARPANET and established a distributed network of networks capable of handling far greater traffic. In 1985, NSF began a program to establish internet access across the United States. They created a backbone called the NSFNet and opened their doors to all educational facilities, academic researchers, government agencies, and international research organizations. By the 1990s, the Internet experienced explosive growth. It is estimated that the number of computers connected to the Internet was doubling every year. Business rapidly realized that by, effect, by making effective use of the Internet, they could tune their operations and offer new and better services to their customers. So they started spending vast amount of money to develop and enhance the internet. This generated violent competition among the communication carriers and hardware and software suppliers to meet this demand. The result is that bandwidth, that is also called as the information carrying capacity of communication lines on the internet, has increased tremendously and costs have dropped. It is widely believed that the internet has played a significant role in the economic success. So now you can understand why internet is an essential part when we are talking about e-commerce technologies. So let us now start with World Wide Web, or also known as WWW. It allows computer user to position and view multimedia based documents, that are documents with text, graphics, animations, audio or video, on almost any subject. Even though the internet was developed more than 3 decades ago, the introduction to WWW was a relatively recent event. In 1990, Tim Berners from CERN developed World Wide Web and several communication protocols that form the backbone of WWW. The Internet and World Wide Web will surely be listed among the most significant and profound creations of humankind. In the past, most computer applications ran on a standalone computer, that is, computers that were not connected to one another. Today's application can be written to communicate among the world hundreds of millions of computers. The internet makes our work more easier by mixing computing and communication technology, which makes information immediately and conveniently accessible worldwide. It makes it possible for individual and small business to get worldwide contact. So in the last decade, internet and World Wide Web have altered the way people communicate, conduct business and manage their daily lives. They are changing the nature of the way business is done.